Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Ron at SceneGrinder, and in today's video, I've got a sneak peek for you of some changes we've done related to building walls and also building multi-story buildings. So, as you can see, in this scene, I've got some cool scene models there for these houses on the edge of the wood, and this is great for those cases where the party is just walking around the scene and interacting with it. But as you know, there's always going to be those cases where you want the party to be going inside the buildings. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these two houses real quick. Okay, because what I really want to do here is I want to create walls and buildings out of those walls. So let me just show you how to do that. All you do is bring up the adding a wall screen, and then you select the type of shape that you want to put down. So in this case, I just want a square or rectangle. I'll make it 30 by 30. Click OK. And then just click on the map where you want the walls to be. And as you can see, if you zoom in a little bit, there's the green outline of exactly where the building, where the wall is going to be. Just hit enter. And there you go. So now you've got your wall right there. And if you click on it and then click C, you can then drag the arrows to where you want another version of that. So you can see that makes it very easy to put down a bunch of structures at the same time. So that's creating those. But so the other things you can do is if I click on the walls and then I go to the walls editing. Okay, so I go there and you can see the second option here is roof type. So you can go here and select from a variety of types. I'll just go ahead and put dungeon wall. And as you can see, it's now added a ceiling to that roof type. Now you can also add doors and windows, and I'll cover that in another video. But so that's part of what you can do. So you can build a building, you can throw a roof on it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit C again, select another one here, hit C, and I'm going to copy it. And this time, instead of putting it to the left or the right, I'm just going to raise it up. And there you go. Hit enter. And so now what I've done is I've created basically two sets of walls stacked on top of each other. So if I click on the bottom one, I can go in and I can put just put it as a wood ceiling on that level of the building. And you can see it down there. And then I can do the same thing on the top as well. So you can see what I've done there is I have created a two-story building. Now I'm going to pause the video for just a second. Okay, so I've changed my camera, so I'm looking at it from inside the building. I've also added a character, so I can show you walking around in there in just a second. So what I'll do next is I'll add a model. Okay, so I added a stair, and I also added a character, and I'm viewing the scene now through the first-person point of view in that character. And as you can see, when I added the stair, what SceneGrinder did was recognize that there was a ceiling above me, and it went ahead and automatically created a hole in that ceiling so that characters can walk up and down these stairs. So there you go. And that's how you can create multi-level buildings for your characters to walk around in. And I hope you enjoy that video, and that's it for today. Thanks, everybody. Bye.